Okay, so this is our inspo. We are going to make hair ties like this. These two I have already made. Okay, these are like really nice hair ties. It's a bohemian style hair ties, and it's good for every day. It's a pure hair luxury, by the way. You can crochet for yourself, or you can crochet to gift someone after watching this video. So in this video, what material do you need? Okay, so you need a crochet hook. I'm using 4.5 mm crochet hook, and you need scissors and a hair tie and a needle. I'm using this green for the leafy part, and I'm going to crochet flowers with these three. These are the shade of pink. It's a pink family. Let's get started. I'm starting with a magic circle. It's also called a magic loop. If you don't know how to make it, I have already made a complete workshop for absolute beginners. It's available on my channel. Okay, now chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Insert the crochet hook in a first chain and pull the thread from 2 loops on the hook. Now we have a small circle here, this one. Okay, chain 2, 1, 2. Yarn over, insert the crochet hook in a small circle and pull the thread to the top like this to make it a puffy. Again yarn over, insert the hook in a crochet hook and pull the thread to the top. One more time, same process. Okay, now pull the thread from all the loops on the hook and chain 1. Okay, you can see it is looking a bit puffy. We are making up a flower. Chain 1 and insert the crochet hook in a small circle, pull the thread. Now we have 2 loops on the crochet hook. From this, pull first loop from the second loop, and that's it. We are going to repeat this process 4 more times, and then we will have a puff flower. Okay, that's how the puff flower will look like after 5 petals. You can see that I have made 5 puff petals with the same process. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For this hair tie, we are going to need 3 puff flowers, which I have already crocheted. Now let's do the green part. For the green part, I'm going to start with the magic circle. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now single crochet in a second chain, half double crochet in a third chain, again one more half double crochet in a next chain, and slip stitch in the last chain. This looks like a little leaf. Again chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Single crochet in a second chain, half double crochet in the next chain, again half double crochet in the next chain, and slip stitch in the last chain. See, we have 2 leaves here. Okay, moving forward, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. After 5 chains, I'll make 4 chain again. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now single crochet in the second chain, half double crochet in next chain, and then slip stitch in a next chain. Again 5 chain, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this is the part where I'll add flower. Okay, just take the flower, and this is the front side and this is the back side. I'm going to insert crochet hook in a petal from back side and pulling the thread from the front side toward back side. Now we have 2 loops on the crochet hook. Pull first loop from the second loop and the flower is attached. Again chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, single crochet, half double crochet next and slip stitch. Okay, after this leaf I'm going to make chain 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Okay, now chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, single crochet in a second chain, half double crochet in next and slip stitch in the next one. Okay, now chain 5, 1, 2, 3. Okay, if like sometimes we get these messy things in the yarn, what I do, I just cut them. Okay, chain 5, we already have 3 on the hook, 2 more, 4 and 5. Now chain 4 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, single crochet in a second chain, half double crochet in next and slip stitch like this. Now chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Going to attach one more flower, this time the dark pink. Insert the crochet hook from back side of the petal like this. Now pull the thread and we have 2 loops on the hook. Pull first loop from the second loop. That's it. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and the same step we are going to make a little leaf, single crochet, half double crochet in next and slip stitch in the next like this. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to add the last flower. Same way, insert crochet hook from the back side of the petal, pull the thread and make a slip stitch like this. Now pull first loop from the second loop and that's all. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, now this is the last part where we will be making leaves like this. Now chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet in a second chain, half double crochet in next, half double crochet in next and slip stitch and chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet, half double crochet again and slip stitch. Now cut the thread. See, we have a beautiful vine here with 3 flowers. Okay, now I'm going to stitch this extra yarn with the help of this needle. Part where we will add hair tie to the vine. What I'm going to do, the hair tie will go like this. Okay, now I will pull one side of the hair tie from the other side like this. If you do not understand this step, you can watch this part again in a slower speed. It's just like a magic circle. Okay, I'm just going to make sure that it is attached properly, and that's it. So this bohemian style tie is ready. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you guys. This is very simple, a beginner friendly design from the hair accessories. When you will crochet a hair tie by watching this video, just take a picture and send it to me on my Instagram. I will post your crocheted hair ties on my stories, and I will see you in the next tutorial.